Hi guys, welcome back. For this part of the painting, I'm detailing, which means I need to have a steady hand. When you drink coffee, it doesn't help. So caffeine, if you want more of a steady hand, lay off the caffeine. But if you're anything like me, you start the day with caffeine, you end the day with caffeine, and the more caffeine, the better. Anyway, I created this special little device, and I call it my mouse stick. So basically it's 1/2 inch PVC, and it's got a little elbow here with a little brace and a little part on the bottom that actually rests right here. So I'm going to show you how to take advantage of that. So I made this myself, and I have this so it's a piece that just slides up and down. So if I put my hand on it, and I'll show you that, it just makes it so it's nice and smooth. That's if I ever need it. So far I've never needed that, but I've also put this small board up on the very top of my canvas. Now the benefit of that is it is actually about that far away, so give or take about 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the surface of the canvas, and the bottom of my easel also sticks out a little bit. So when I take this and I hang it up, this part right here is meant for hanging on here. I have it so it rests right against the bottom, and none of this actually touches the picture. So I can rock this back and forth if I want, put it over here, and then when I'm painting, grab the paintbrush, rest my hand up against it, and now it's nice and snug, it's not going anywhere, and then I could go ahead and do the fine detail. So that's what I'm going to get working on now, and stick with me and you'll see what I'm doing with this painting, and thank you very much for joining me today.